Welcome, today in front of me TCL 30, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that here click to the sounds and vibration section. Here you can see the ringtone volume panel, and now just to unmute the device ringtone you should hold for a while and slide to the right side with your finger, this blue dot, by this way. As can you see, that's really simple. Also we can do it by the second way, just by press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and after that just open the full volume panels section, and just by the same way slide to the right side with your finger the ringtone volume panel, or also we can click here to the settings and just you will launch the full sounds and vibration settings, and just to by the same way slide to the right side this blue dot. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.